Welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Standard 5th Subject EVS 1 Science. I am your science teacher Rashmi Walke. Student, we are taking revision for first term exam and today we will see video part 4 of our revision. Up to last video we have taken revision for question number 3A. Today we are going to see next questions. So let's start. Next question is question number 3B. Complete the following. See student, in this question you have these types of questions given to you and you have to complete these. So let's see some examples of that. So here first one is planets in our solar system is given. So planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, then dash is given here, then Mars, Jupiter, again dash, Uranus and Neptune, again dash is there. So when you will write the answer, you have to write like this way. So the answer is Mercury, Venus, and here dash is given. So these here you have to write the answer Earth. Correct answer is Earth. Then Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Same way all questions you have to solve. Number 2 is water purification processes at the waterworks. And here given settling, then dash is given, oxygenation and again dash. So as you know, there are 4 water purification processes. First one is settling, next one is purification, this is our answer here, then oxygenation and last one is chlorination. Okay, then number 3 is different spheres of the earth. So as you know, different spheres of the earth here given in question: lithosphere, then dash, then atmosphere and again dash is given here. So here while writing the answer, lithosphere, then hydrosphere, then atmosphere and biosphere. This is our answer. So this way you have to solve this question. Complete the following. Then next one is given methods of preservation of food. So drying, then dash, again dash, then placing in airtight cans and use of preservatives. And the answer is, as you know, the methods of preservation foods are drying, cooling, boiling, placing in airtight cans and use of preservatives. Next question is give reason. So let's see some examples from give reason. All the things on the earth remain with the earth only. And the answer is earth exerts gravitational force. Due to the force of gravity, even if something is thrown in the upward direction, it comes back towards the ground. Therefore, all the things on the earth remain with the earth only. Next question is the sun appears prominent and bright. And the answer is the sun is a star having its own light. As compared to other stars in space, the sun is closest to the earth. Therefore, the sun appears prominent and bright. Next question is warmer is there in the northern hemisphere between 22 March and 23 September. And the answer is in the northern hemisphere between 22 March and 23 September, the days are longer than the nights. Therefore, it is warmer there. Next give reason is we make jams from fruits. And the answer is fruits cannot stay longer in their natural and tasty form. Microorganisms and fungus can grow on them. For preserving them, food preservatives like sugar added in them. Sugar is used to make jam, which can we store for a longer time. We can have jams even after the season of fruits is over. Therefore, we make jams from fruits. Next question is, we avoid eating food that has spoiled. The answer is, microorganisms that spoil the food are harmful for health. The spoiled food has foul smell and bad appearance. Eating such food can cause stomach ache, vomiting, and diarrhea. Such food is not nutritious and can be dangerous for our health. Therefore, we must avoid eating spoiled food. Now, students, see the next question is identify the pictures and name it. See, student, in exam only picture is given to you and you have to write its name here downside. So this answer is not given in the exam. Only they will give you the picture and you have to write what that picture is. Okay, you have to identify that picture and you have to name that picture. So let's see some examples of this. Now this is the picture given and this picture is, you have to name it, it is contour bunding or you can say contour trenches also. Now the next picture is given of food web. So you have to identify this picture and you have to write the answer, it is food web. Next picture is given here. So this picture is of drip irrigation. This picture is of drip irrigation. Then this picture is given here again. You have to identify and you have to write the answer downside. So the answer is fungus on chapati. And while writing in answer sheet, you just write the name of that picture. No need to draw that picture. Then the next picture is of sprinkle irrigation. You have to identify the picture and you have to write below it. Then next picture is of water cycle. Next picture is of water cycle. So this way you have to solve question number 5. Identify the picture and name it. Now our next question is label the diagram. Label the diagram. So in this question, student, one diagram is given in the question paper and you have to label that. You have to label that. So for example, we are taking some diagrams here. So first diagram is of solar system. So these names whatever given here, they will not given to you in exams. You have to write it. Okay, so then next figure is of earth atmosphere. So whatever names you are able to see here, the troposphere, ozone layer, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, exosphere, these names or these labelings will not be there in your exam. You have to label it in the exams. Next example is of a plant is making its own food by the using sunlight. So all these names, sunlight, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, so this you have to write or you have to label it. Okay, then last figure or last diagram is given here, a simple method for filtering water. So all these labeling whatever you can see here, they will not come in the exam. You have to label it or you have to name it. Okay, So this way you have to solve question number 6, that is label the diagram. Thank you student. Here we ends with our revision and best luck for your exam. Thank you.